Hi, my name's Rosalind and welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about the digital world and social media. So if you're looking to learn new skills, you're in the right place. Have you ever lost your phone? Fortunately, I haven't, but just in case I ever do, I've set up something on my phone which means that hopefully I could find it again. So today's video is called Where's My iPhone? I'm going to show you how to set up something on your phone that helps you locate it using a different device. So hopefully if you ever do lose your phone, you can quickly locate it and all will not be lost. So let's get into showing you what you need to do. Okay, so from the home screen we're going to utilities and we're going to click on settings. Then we're going to click on our name, and then once we're there we're going to scroll down and click on find my. So here where it says find my phone, yours needs to be showing it on like mine. And if you click on that, it will show you three important tabs here that all need to be showing green. Find my phone locates it to the application. Enable offline, so if the phone is somewhere where there's no Wi-Fi, it'll still be found. And also it'll send you the last location if your battery was dying when you did lose it. So make sure that all those are showing green. So from our home screen we want to find the app to find the phone. It's called Find My. So just click on that. So you'll need to click on the screen that you want to locate. I've decided to locate my Apple Macbook Pro, and you'll see some varying different options here. So if you click on play sound, the actual machine will make a noise. If you want to mark as lost, that means no one else will be able to activate or get into your phone, or you can always erase the device, which will get rid of any data on your phone. So make sure it's definitely lost before you do that. Also on this screen at the top right there's a little arrow. If you click on that it will give you directions to find the actual phone itself with a road map, so you can pinch and zoom on the screen above. You can now log in on any computer into your iCloud account and find your phone from there. So now you know the steps you need to take. So please go ahead and do that now. I'd hate for you to lose your phone. And all you need to do is click a few buttons. Once you've set up your phone, please comment down below, I've done it, and then I know that you're all safe and secure. So thank you for watching the video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and you got value, and leave me any comments or queries in the comments box below. I'd also love you to subscribe to my channel. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye.